Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you a new module that was just created. So if you purchase the software in Autoposting Tools, we have over 141 modules. So today I'm talking to you about this Facebook and Facebook comments, likers, and event goers scraper. So I previously showed you in other two videos how this module works. So for the comments and for the users, now I'm going to show you how we can get the users that assisted an event. So to do that, basically we just go to Facebook, we put the keyword that you want there, and then basically you will get to this page. You go to the events, and then you will find like events related to that keyword. In this case, you could put business meetings, you could put anything that you want to find people that is interested that is going to go to that event. So in this case, let's imagine that I'm offering like a ticket for salsa or for like uh, cha-cha-cha classes or whatever that my client or I myself am promoting that kind of product. So if I go there, I find that this person is promoting this event. So I go here, I go to the event, and then basically I could just scroll down and see how many people it's interested on going to the event and how many people is interested. So now that I'm here, I can just click on this, and this is going to open up and load a list of all the people that is going to go to this event. Why this helped me? So the reason this helped me is because these people it's already interested on the specific event that I'm trying to get people from. So if this is a salsa class or whatever, then what is going to happen is that I'm offering uh, a salsa or like a dancing class. So most likely these people here will be interested in that kind of product. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scrape all these people here on but this case, the interested is people interested. I will go more with the ones that I'm going because mostly these people already purchased the ticket for the event, or they are very interested that they are willing to spend money on the event. So if they are willing to spend money on this event, probably they are willing to spend money on whatever I have to offer if it's related to the same kind of thing. So I just will keep scrolling down. So I load a few of these a few of these people here. Well, I just will keep scrolling until until I load as many people as I want. This will depend on your computer how much memory it has, because if you get too many people, it might hang there. So my computer is kind of fast, so it can support a lot, but it just depends on your. So if I go here, I have this div that contains all the elements. If you see, whenever I hover over it, it has like the blue rectangle over it. So that means that I can go and contact them. To get this, just right click on that, inspect element, and you will get this. So then you highlight the part that you want to get the information the code from. You click on edit as HTML. So you select Control A, Control C, go back to here, and then just paste it. So once you get this, you will put get users that assist this event. So I click on that, and that is going to bring me a list of all the people that is going to attend that event that is within my HTML code. So here, all these people is going to assist to the event. The only thing I have to do is I have just to save this. I could just click on this, Control C, paste it on Excel, and then I able to save this information, and then I can contact them later. I could remove the users that I cannot add, save it to Excel, then go to posting, then go to Facebook friend adder, and then start adding all these people. So these people will go and check my profile because they want to know who add them. And then if I have like the classing information there, then they will contact me that they are interested, or I could just contact them directly. I could just select the user that I want, then click on view profile user. This is going to go and show me the profile. This is a person that is going to assist to the event. So I could go see what they have or whatever, and then if this person seems that it's going to match with my product that I want to sell, then I could just contact them. I could also click on send message, and then basically it will send me to the message section to be able to send a message to this person. So here I could put my message and then just click copy, and then I have here like a text box that I could keep changing my message depending to who I'm sending it to. So basically you could select the one of them, delete it, or delete the table and then delete this and add more. So it's up to you what you want to do with this. But basically this is perfect because it's going to allow you to get a lot of leads that are interested in whatever event that you selected. So they will most likely will purchase your product if it's something that it's interesting for them as well. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for